Bardstown traffic, lands 2245 Alpha, taking runway 21. This will be a northbound departure on left downwind. Bardstown. Alright, trim is set. Mixtures for rich, fuel pump is on, landing light is on, and we got our nav lights. We can turn our nav lights on, why not? We're clear right. Clear left. Gonna line ourselves up center. We want 2-1 3 different ways. Got 2-1 there, 2-1, and let's go ahead.
Now, Bardstown traffic, Cherokee 55827 has departed back to the north, Bardstown.
Got 2-1, 2-0. So we're gonna put on the brake. Power all the way up. I want to see that 32. There it goes. Oil pressure, oil temperature on the green, heels to the ground. And we're squawking VFR. Let's do that. Alright, oil pressure, oil temperature in the green. EGTs is looking good. Airspeed is alive. We're looking for 75. There's 70. 75. Tap the brakes. Nose coming down. Gear coming up. $1,700 at an altitude. Keep your headset on, girl. Do our left turn.
The traffic, 916 meters. About 5 miles to the southwest. Coming in straight. Runway 11.
Bardstown traffic, lands 2245 Alpha, left crosswind, runway 21, Bardstown. Bardstown traffic, lands 2245 Alpha, left downwind, runway 21, Bardstown. I'm tripping, I put in BRY.
Wayne County, traffic 840 entering midfield, crossing runway 21, Wayne County.
Beautiful sunset flight. Bardstown traffic, lands 2245 Alpha, 2,100 over the approach end of runway 21, on course, last call, Bardstown. See you!
Traffic 840 turning downwind, runway 21, Wayne County. Traffic down to 68 Victor, turning right, turning final runway 11, Indiana.
Climb checklist, airspeed, maintain.
Traffic helicopter 103 Hotel is 1 to the east, transitioning over the airfield for landing at the county fairgrounds. Bump it. Foxtrot checking in, 9,000. Number 962 Foxtrot, level approach, altimeter 3002. 3002, 962 Foxtrot. Number 827, you send maintain VFR 2500, information uniforms current at Bowman, landing 24.
Alrighty, 2500, landing 24 at Bowman 827.
Low approach, good evening. Lands 2245 Alpha request.
Lands 2245 Alpha, level approach, that request.
Yes, sir. We're 7 miles to the northeast of Bardstown at 3000. Looking for a VFR flight following in the Bowman, please. 4th of Alpha.
Set up PA 24 or 32?
PA 32, sir. 4th of Alpha.
Lands 45 Alpha, squawk 0171, information uniforms current at Bowman, landing 24.
0171, and we do have uniform runway 24s. 4th of Alpha.
Lands 45 Alpha, radar contact 8 miles north Bardstown 3000, maintain VFR on course Bowman.
Maintain VFR on course. 4th of Alpha, thanks. We're good. We're already on course, so we're good. Checking in. It's just easy to go talk to him to go to Charlie. All right, yo. We are VFR out of Bardstown on our way to Bowman Field. We just got our starter fixed at Bardstown Airport. Shout out to Max and team. Oh my gosh.
Approach, good evening, Brickyard 9948 out of 210, descending on the D-Lamp with Golf.
Oh, here it is.
Brickyard 9948, level approach, runway 17 left.
Alright, 17 left. You need the speed?
Just publish leads.
Okay, thanks.
Hey girl, let me take a picture of you. Come on, you ready? Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Do like that. Nope. Keep your headset on. Do like this.
Approach, Brickyard 5832, information Sierra, it's at 22,000, or 50220, and descending. Descending D-Lamp 8. Brickyard 5832, level approach, runway 17 left. 17 left, Brickyard 5832.
Oil pressure, oil temperature's all in the green. We're good. Been in the air, not even 30 minutes, so we're locked in. Nav lights work well. Radio lights don't need to be on. And we don't want to climb anymore. Yes. Beautiful sunset. Alright, so VFR in the Bowman. Like I said, I was getting my plane fixed. A new starter installed. My starter went out at Bardstown Airport. Great people at that airport. Shout out to Max, like I said, and his crew for ordering and installing a new starter, which is the SkyTech, which I heard a lot of great things about. So me and my pops got it installed on the Lance.
Number 45 Alpha, contact Bowman Tower 119.5.
Over the tower, 4th of Alpha, good night. And yeah. So now I'm VFR, picked up flight following inbound so I can go to the Charlie, talk to Louisville approach. Now I'm about to cross over to Bowman Tower. Bowman Tower, good evening. Lance 2245 Alpha. I am 11 miles to the south inbound, full stop.
Lance 2245 Alpha, Bowman Tower, welcome back. Enter the left base, runway 24.
Left base, runway 24, 4th of Alpha.
Bowman Tower, Cardinal 1.
I'm going to take a picture.
Negative.
Cardinal 1, Bowman Tower. Information, Victor is about to be current. I'm currently in the process of making it. The wind 190 at 7, altimeter 3002. Say request.
They're doing the city tour.
Cardinal 1, roger, departure runway will be at pilot's own risk. Use caution, remain south of runway 24, fly heading 220.
Heading 220, remain south of runway, Cardinal 1.
Who? Got our Bardstown and Bowman in sight. Turn the autopilot off. Look at the descent checklist. Mixture above 1300 degrees, we're well above that. Throttle above 15 inches. We're gonna keep it at 20 inches. Prop to cruise, we're good. Oxygen is needed. Descent checklist complete. Yes, baby. Here's the recording stuff.
Cardinal 1, contact Louisville Tower, have a good flight.
Cardinal 1, thank you.
Lance 45 Alpha, your number 2 following Cherokee, traffic short final, runway 24, clear to land.
Number 2 following, yeah, number 2 is runway 24, clear to land. I'm well behind them. That's Muhammad. Shout out to Mo, man. Mohammed, man, he dropped me off for me and my daughter off. And we're good. She's doing good. As you can see, hopefully we got a little shot of her in there. Alright, before landing checklist. Fuel proper tank, fuel pump is on. We're going to go mixture full rich. We're below 120, so let's go ahead and go put gear coming down. Electric fuel pumps on, mixture, prop, power, cowl flaps open. We got 3 green gas undercarriage mixture, prop. Put a little bit more prop in there as we're coming in. Flaps set, air conditioner off.
Wind 190 at 8.
Landing checklist complete.
Jermaine, where are you parking at today?
Going to West Tees, my guy.
Roger.
Shout out to Bowman Tower, man. Alright. Let's go ahead and record this landing with the GoPro, with the Metas. Alright, looking good. Oil pressure, oil temperature on the green. So another gas on base. Fuel pumps on the right tank, undercarriage.
Bowman Tower, that's a 22785. Currently passing 12 Mile Island inbound. Full stop, we have uniform.
Number 22785 Bowman Tower, information Victor just went current. No significant changes from uniform to wind 190 at 7. Altimeter 3002, enter the right base, runway 24.
Roger that. Right base, runway 24, system 22785.
Stable, go ahead and slow up. We're going to pull our power out to 15 inches. Snatch our flaps to bring us down some more. Letting that red creep in. 2 white right now, they go to red. We're going to hold this back pressure. There we go, and following the red and white down. Another from 1,000 foot markers. Gas undercarriage mixture, prop, switches, landing light, all those lights is on. We're going to put our text lights on as well. Runway is made. I'm going to walk our power out. Get the power in a little bit. And kiss the ground. Get off at Bravo.
Lance 45 Alpha, turn left at Bravo. Taxi to the ramp via Alpha, cross runway 33 Echo Delta to the ramp. Have a good night.
Alright, get off the runway at Bravo, Alpha, cross 33, Echo Delta to the ramp. 4 of Alpha, good night. See you. Yeah. Alright, clear the runway, fuel pumps off. Clear right, clear left. Let's open this window. We're cleared across the runway per instructions. Shout out to Bowman Tower, man. Always cool peoples, man. Alright. Clear left, clear right, crossing the runway, 3315. After landing, cow flaps is open. Mixture is set, fuel pump is off. Lonnie's having fun. Squawking VFR. And flight plans closed. Cow flaps open, all that. Alright, thanks for flying me on this beautiful sunset flight. Back in the Bowman Field. Shout out to Bardstown Airport and crew people over there. Plane goes in the annual on Monday. And we're excited. First annual owning the plane. Not really excited, but whatever. But expand your horizons, no limits. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up.
Cessna 785, the wind 190 at 6, runway 24, clear to land.
If you are not subscribed, subscribe.
Runway 24, clear land.
And
785.
comment below if you have any questions. Expand your horizons, no limits. Stay proficient, stay consistent in everything you do in life. And go get it. Make it happen. See you.